Hi guys, in this video it's normally about mistakes in my business, but what I'm going to do, I'm starting from now, I'm going to just explain what's been happening in my business from week to week. Yeah, so there's going to be mistakes, there's going to be good things, and there's going to be bad things. Yeah, so instead of just repeating myself and keep telling you every week the same mistake I keep making, I'm going to throw some good things in. Yeah. I'll try and start on a bad, yeah. So basically, woke up this morning on Sunday morning, and someone, either one of my sons or one of their friends or cousins, has downloaded lots of stuff on the Xbox, and it's charged my account. Now everyone's denying it. I've sent some messages to PayPal, and I've sent some messages to Microsoft, and I need to find out a bit more details about it. Everyone's denying it. Yeah, I was stupid to let my sons have my details on their accounts, but you think you live and learn, you think you can trust somebody, and then they go and stab you in the back. So I will keep you updated on that one, guys. So it totaled about £72. Now it might not be on a lot, but when you've not got it, or when you've not said yes to that, then that's the principle, isn't it, guys? Now we'll get to the bottom of it. If not, I'll sell some other stuff. I'll sell one each of the games, yeah. So another thing, guys, there's been a couple of deaths, like friends of the family and that, people we've known for years, and although I weren't really close to them, it seems to have had like a bit of a effect on me. I can't stop thinking and stuff like that. Like one of them, really young guy, had a bit of a knock-on effect. But so this week I've not really been in the mood. I've had all weekend off to without work, and I planned on doing lots of stuff, and I've not hardly done anything. I've done a lot of watching, like videos and taking notes, etc., but I've not done any like taking action kind of thing. And then I've been feeling tired and not motivated enough to dive in and get loads done. So I've kind of slacked a little bit this week. I've not been my usual like doing loads of stuff kind of thing, and it's a bit disappointing. But like I said, I've had a few like things what have like knocked me back a bit, like someone robbing off me, stealing, and a couple of deaths playing on my mind. But a couple of positive things. I've had quite a few people opt into my email list. Nobody's signed up yet to ClickFunnels or to Top Earner Mentor, but there's still time, guys. Still time. So hopefully, fingers crossed, there are a few more sign-ups. I got paid off ClickFunnels, so that was a nice little bonus. Well, it was until somebody robbed off me. Yeah, so that's been cleared. I've made a little bit of money off a couple of apps what I've been running like on my phone and in the background of my computer, just like collecting data and seeing what activities we do. You know, I've talked about some of them on some of the videos. So yeah, I've made a bit of payment off them, so that's a bonus. And now tonight, once I finish this video, instead of going back to business, which I should do, but I'm not doing, I'm going to chill for the night. I'm going to catch up on The Walking Dead. Got about 4 or 5 episodes of that of the latest season, and I watched a couple of films last night with my sons, which was nice. When I say with my sons, I mean one son, because the other one was on his computer. Yeah, so that's pretty much been my weekend, guys. I've been doing a lot of watching. Like I said, I've signed up for the One Funnel Away challenge with ClickFunnels, and I'm up to date with that so far. I I'm not as excited as I thought I would be, guys. Maybe because this week's been all about getting the right mindset, the right mind frame and all that, yeah. So hopefully when it starts properly tomorrow, I will be more motivated I'm going to get a good night's sleep tonight. Back at work in the morning, driving. So I will do some more listening on the phone, podcasts and YouTube videos, and I will hopefully be ready to go for One Funnel Away challenge. I've got a couple of other courses I've got, as in a YouTube course, and I've also got another affiliate marketing course. These are just, they're not my main things. My main things is Top Earner Mentor with my mentors at Crawford, but these are like little side projects what I'm working on, trying to see from different angles, different views, yeah, seeing what other people offer, so maybe I can implement it in my offers, yeah, make my funnels better. I mean, not the funnel itself, the funnel's great, but like the offer creation, the value stack kind of thing, you know, make it a bit irresistible to other people, make my offer better than other people's, what's pretty much same, yeah. What else? Show you as well. My board is looking good. We're up to 40 videos. Well, 40. It's going good, guys. I'm sticking to the plan. That's another thing. What went wrong this week, guys, is my phone. My memory card inside my phone is just turned corrupted. It's not saving anything. My phone's constantly saying it's full. I'm deleting loads of apps, deleting loads of videos, loads of photos, and it's still saying it's full. It's flashing now saying it's going off, so I'm just going to pause it and then delete some stuff. Won't be a minute, guys. I'm back, guys. I've deleted quite a lot of stuff off my phone. Honestly, guys, it's a joke. I've had the memory card in for ages, and I'm always recording stuff, deleting stuff, and all of a sudden now it's saying my phone's full. It's an S8 Plus. It's got I think it's got 30 gig. No, it's got 64 gig, and it's saying it's full. And I swear down, I've deleted so many apps. It's got hardly any apps. It's got hardly any apps on. It's got hardly any videos in there. I think there's 3 things in my video file on the actual phone. The actual SIM card, I've deleted loads of stuff of that, but it's saying it's corrupted. Nothing will save to it. It can't transfer nothing to it. I've took it out, tried it on the computer. It seems to read it fine. I've took it to the O2 shop. They've had a look at it. They said it's corrupted. The memory card seems like it's. They think the memory card's corrupted. So I've ordered 2 new ones, guys. A Samsung one and a Kingston one. So hopefully, I don't know if any of them are cheap or not. I've got them off eBay, as in like cheaply made, or I don't know, like copies from China or something like that. So yeah, I've ordered 2 anyway, and then I'll try them. Hopefully I can get back into the swing of things, because honestly this week, guys, I've had a nightmare trying to record things, and I have got a camera, and one of the SIM cards I'm going to put in the camera is a proper vlogging camera, so I'm going to start using that. Don't know how to use it. I did go to college doing photography one night a week, for about 9-10 weeks. So I'll have to try and get used to it, watching YouTube videos and that. So yeah, so that's basically a roundup of my week, guys. Quite a lot of bad this week, to be fair. But tomorrow's a new day. I'm still loving the business. I'm trying to find new ways. That's why I'm doing the YouTube course, and doing more stuff from a mentor. He's constantly bringing value to the team, to the group, his group, and I'm learning a lot of stuff. It's just now I've got to like implement it and take action. They've got the One Funnel Away challenge, which I'm looking for. I'm not as excited as I was when I first signed up, but like I said, tomorrow's a new day. Hopefully, I'll be up ready to go, because like I said, I'm going to go watching a couple of things tonight, chill out for a bit, get an early night, and then hopefully feel fresh tomorrow. So with that being said, guys, I am out of here. I'm Jay, Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, helping you to build yours. Till next time, guys, goodbye.